Guess what? I have the answer for you. If you have a GE refrigerator, this is how to turn on the ice maker on. They wouldn't tell you this. Some people don't know. So if they have this model right here, so basically you open up the freezer portion, all right? So you see this thing here, all right? So this is how to slide where the ice drops in, all right? But there is this portion up here. Basically, just slide it out, all right? Slide it out, okay? And keep down. And then you will see up here, all right? I'll show you. There is right here the off and on. All right, basically you slide this here, is on the off portion, and if you push it back to the on, the ice is on. So you slide it back on, and hopefully within 24 hours we'll start having ice. All right,